10 amazing and amusing facts about fire. Did you know that fire can burn in space, or that some people can actually breathe fire? Hello and welcome back to our channel, Fire Door Assessment. Fire is a powerful force of nature that has fascinated humans since the dawn of time, from its destructive capabilities to its ability to create and sustain life. Fire is a complex phenomenon that we're still discovering new things about. In this video, we're going to reveal the top 10 amazing and amusing facts about fire that will blow your mind. So let's jump right into it. Number 1. Fire can be created without matches or lighters. Fire has been an essential tool for human survival and comfort for thousands of years, but the process of creating fire has evolved over time. Today we use matches or lighters to start a fire, but there are other methods that have been used for centuries. One of the most common ways to start a fire without matches or lighters is by using a magnifying glass. By focusing the sun's rays onto a small piece of dry tinder, you can create enough heat to start a fire. Another way is by using a fire piston, which compresses air to create heat. You can also create fire by rubbing two sticks together or by striking a flint against steel. These methods require patience and skill, but they are still used today by outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Number 2. Fire needs 3 things to burn: fuel, oxygen and heat. Fire is a chemical reaction that occurs when fuel, oxygen and heat are present. Fuel is anything that can burn, such as wood, paper or gasoline. Oxygen is necessary to sustain the fire and keep it burning. Heat is needed to start the fire and keep it going. Without any one of these 3 things, the fire will go out. This is why firefighters use water or foam to extinguish fires. They remove either the heat or oxygen necessary for the fire to continue burning. Number 3. Fire can be different colours. Fire is commonly associated with a yellow or orange flame, but it can actually be many different colours depending on what is burning. For example, a flame that is burning copper will be blue-green, while a flame that is burning sodium will be a yellow-orange. A flame that is burning magnesium will be bright white. The colour of the flame is determined by the chemical makeup of the material that is burning. This is why fireworks are so colourful. The different chemicals used in fireworks create different colours when they burn. Number 4. Firefighters use different types of fire extinguishers for different types of fires. There are different types of fires, and each type requires a different type of fire extinguisher. For example, a Class A fire involves ordinary combustible such as wood, paper or cloth and can be extinguished with foam, water or dry chemicals. A Class B fire involves flammable liquid such as gasoline or oil and can be extinguished with foam or dry chemicals. A Class C fire involves electrical equipment and can be extinguished with non-conductive extinguishing agents. It is important to use the correct type of extinguisher for the fire type to ensure that it is safely and effectively extinguished. Using the wrong type of extinguisher can actually make the fire worse, as it may not be effective in putting it out and could spread the flames. Number 5. Fire has been used by humans for thousands of years. The discovery of fire is considered one of the most important events in human history, as it allowed early humans to cook food, which made it easier to digest and allowed for the consumption of a wider range of foods. It also provided warmth and light, which made it possible for humans to live in colder climates. Today, fire is still an important part of human life, but it is also a potential danger that must be respected and managed carefully. Fire safety education and prevention efforts have led to a decrease in the number of fires and fire-related deaths, but it is still important to take precautions to prevent fires and to have a plan in case a fire does occur. Firefighters and other first responders play a critical role in responding to fires and keeping our communities safe. Number 6. The blue part of a flame is hotter than the yellow part. When you look at a flame, you might notice that it has different colours. The yellow part of the flame is cooler than the blue part, which is hotter. This is because the blue part of the flame is where the fuel is burning most efficiently, creating the highest temperatures. In fact, the temperature of the blue part of a flame can reach up to 1400 degrees Celsius, 2550 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 7. Fire can be used to purify water. Fire can be used to purify water by boiling it. Boiling water kills bacteria and viruses that can make us sick. This is why it's recommended to boil water during camping trips or other situations where access to clean water is limited. Fire can also be used to purify water in other ways, such as by heating rocks and placing them in a container of water to warm it up, or by using a solar still to evaporate water and collect the condensed vapor. Number 8. Fire can be used to create art. Fire has been used as a tool for creating art for centuries. One example of this is the art of pyrography, which involves using a heated metal tool to burn designs into wood or other materials. Fire can also be used to create pottery by heating clay in a kiln to harden and shape it. Glass blowing is another art form that involves using fire to shape molten glass into various forms. Number 9. Fire can be invisible. When we think of fire, we often imagine flames, but it is possible for fire to be invisible. This type of fire is known as a smouldering fire and occurs when a material is heated to its ignition point, but there is not enough oxygen present for a flame to form. Although smouldering fires may be invisible, they can be just as dangerous as visible flames. In fact, smouldering fires are often the cause of house fires, as they go undetected for hours before bursting into flames. They are also known to produce a significant amount of smoke and heat, which can lead to carbon monoxide poisoning, smoke inhalation, and extensive property damage. To prevent smouldering fires, it's essential to ensure that all electric wiring, appliances, and heating systems are maintained and checked regularly. Number 10. Fire can create its own weather. In extreme cases, fires have the ability to create their own weather patterns, known as firestorm or pyrocumulonimbus cloud. This phenomenon occurs due to the intense heat generated by the fire, which causes the air to rise rapidly, creating a low pressure area that can draw in surrounding air. As the air continues to rise, it cools and condenses, forming a cloud. The heat generated by the fire can also create updrafts that can cause lightning, which in turn can start new fires. The pyrocumulonimbus clouds created by fires can be extremely dangerous for firefighters and nearby communities. They can produce strong winds, heavy rain, and even tornadoes. These conditions make it challenging for firefighters to contain and control the fire, putting them at risk. The rain produced by the pyrocumulonimbus clouds may not be enough to extinguish the fire, leading to the formation of more clouds and creating a vicious cycle. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, then give this video a thumbs up to show appreciation. Leave a comment to let us know your thoughts and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.